Welcome to the TechHub.training Python Dart Gun Rates Challenge Solution. So I'll be going through my code in Jupyter Notebooks. So first we're going to import our packages that we're going to use. And then we're going to set these options so that it shows all the columns, all the rows, and then also displays all floats up to 6 decimal points so that our rates are precise. And then we define our directory and our file name. And you'll have to change these for yours. And then we read in the sales data frame. And this is our data frame. Okay, and then we're going to have to remove the time of day in the specific solution method. We're going to have to remove the time of day from the ship date so that it's just the date. And that way we can put it in the specific format that we want so that we can put it into the URL that we're going to use. Okay, and then we only kept the unique date and currency combinations, so we dropped our duplicates, and then just kept ship date and currency code. Okay, and then you may or may not have to do this. So some of you may have to use headers, so you'll have to define them like so, and you can take a look at that and figure that out by Googling or whatnot. And then we're going to iterate through. So for the index and row in our rates df, we're going to grab the currency, we're going to grab the date, and we're going to include those in our URL. And then that will allow us to pull up the website, scrape the data that we need, and then move on to the next. So once we get the data that we need, we put it into this HTML variable, then we read it, and then we find the specific table that the rate is in, and then use this iloc to find it. And then we can figure out, and this is to add that rate to the data frame. So then we have our rate next to the specific combination. And now we'll make it easier for when we merge here to match those and then put it next to them. And this is going to take a while to run, so I'll just talk through this while that's going. So final df, we merge the original data frame and the rates data frame. We want to keep all the information from the sales data frame, and the only thing we really care about is the rate. So we're going to do a left merge, then we're going to do it on both of those. There's my rates, and they look pretty good. So once it merges on those, the only thing from this data frame that's going to remain is the rate. And then we're going to want to fill all the nulls with a 1. So that's actually for the USD sales, and I can actually go find one. Whoa. Let's see. There we go. So we see USD, instead of being null, it's a 1, and that's exactly what we want. Cool. I hope this was helpful.